Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today I got me a yapper in the chair, and so let's just get straight into it, you guys. I'm prepping her skin, and this is for women over 40.
Hi.
That's her.
Hi everybody. Welcome.
She's so cute. She good with all her clients.
I spoil her a little bit.
A little bit.
I'm
kind of special.
A little bit, yeah.
You know she's doing that on purpose.
No.
But yeah, like I was saying before I was really interrupted by myself and my client, this is for women who are over 40 years old. My client is about to be 49, and she has really great skin, and I want to keep it that way. So we're going to go in with some moisturizer. We're going to cleanse the skin. So let me give you guys a little backstory. In her office, it is like 100 degrees. No, I'm kidding. But it was literally 90s because for some reason, her building's AC wasn't hitting and we had to open a window. But baby, if you know anything about Massachusetts heat, it is hot and humid. So I gave her a fan so she could fan herself throughout the service. And for the women who are a little bit older, you already know, like, regulating your body temperature is another thing to add on the list. For this glam, it's really cute. It's really simple. We're going to conceal. We're going to keep the skin really nice. And we're going to take some photos at the end. She is one of my clients who knows that I take photos of my clients. So she's always like, I'm going to come with my outfit because I want Angel to snap a pic of me so I can put it on the gram. She's spoiled, but that's okay. All of my girls are spoiled. I do have a special love for every one of my clients, and I love how they show out for me, so I show out for them. The eye look is going to be real simple. We're just going to do a gold smoky eye. We're going to focus again. Like I said in the previous video, we're going to use a dark brown shadow similar to the contour color on the outsides to really elongate the eye. And putting more of a medium to light tone brown on the lid, topping it off with a gold shimmer. The reason why we put the gold shimmer is to add a little bit more light into the eye so that, you know, we get that little flickering effect. But yeah, just a neutral gold because she has multiple outfits and we don't want it to be too yellow or too cool tone or anything like that. So something real neutral. She likes her brows to be more on the fluffy end. She has really long brow hairs. As you guys saw, I used the Got2b to really get those brows in place. So all I'm doing is just like filling in her sparse areas with my Anastasia brow pencil. Really focusing on the tail end because we don't want the brows to be too heavy. And then I'm going to go in with my Crayola camo palette and I mix it with some of my Inglot. Y'all. This thing don't move. I don't care about nobody's kit but my own. And I'm going to tell you right now, this was the best investment that I could have done as a professional, was downsizing and getting this amazing palette. Now, the shade range is decent. I definitely would need some darker shades and a few lighter shades. But for my light to medium dark, not deep dark, like light to medium dark, I got those shades covered. I love it. It's honestly a concealer palette, but I use it as a foundation palette because the color variation as well as the color payoff and how it wears really well. I love this palette because it uses waxes and creams, which really do well in warm and hot temperatures. Like whenever I use this palette on my brides, on my clients who got to go multiple places, they literally text me saying, Angel, my makeup has not moved and it's because of my skin prep and my set. And you guys, when I tell you, first of all, figure out what's best for your clients, but also what's good for your technique and your routine. This is foolproof for me. Like, what I use is foolproof for me and my clients. I have not had one single complaint at all. And if you're liking this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe because girl, that encourages me. But yeah, once you get into a routine and a system where you have products that work really well together, like silicones with silicones and creams, and sometimes oils, and then water-based on its own little corner of the world, you will be fine. Literally, I love my routine. I love how I set my girls' faces. I get little... I don't get any complaints. Let me not say I get little. I don't get none, not a single one, girl. I don't get a single one. And I'm really grateful for God for that because I have taken years of trial and error, I have bought courses. I have tested the makeup. And honestly, I'm just like, no, I don't want a heavy kit. I don't want to be a product junkie. I don't care. I don't care. For the girls who like it, good for you. But baby, my back, my coin, I want to be effective. I want to be strategic. I want to be a wealth magnet with my money. I don't want to have a ton of products that just expire in my studio because I'm not really using it, because I can only do so many faces in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year, etc. But anyways, we did a nice soft contour. She loves when I contour her nose. And when I tell you, my girl was yapping. For the makeup artists who know and who get it, the yappers is like a marathon. When we do the yappers makeup, and I'm a yapper, so I could talk about it, but like when we do a yappers makeup, it's a marathon, because you got to be able to bend and move and flick and dab and all of the things while they're still being them in your chair. But I loved it all. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this glam. I enjoy doing her glam. I always enjoy hanging with her, doing her makeup, hearing her yap. And for this day, she was getting content and some behind the scenes, so she just went live on her Instagram and we just did her makeup. I don't really mind when people do lives or if they record while I'm doing their makeup. This is me. Such is life. I'm not gonna gatekeep. You see something, you like something, you screenshot it, you do your thing. But yeah, I hope you guys take some of these techniques. It's honestly repetition, and then also knowing your client's skin, and then not only just that, but knowing how they are. Like, I know my girl sweats a lot, so I'm going to try to use a lot of high performing products that I know has been tested, like the Kryolan. If I'm saying that wrong, girl, forgive me, but the Kryolan palette has been used in the industry for years, and it's one of those things that most beauty professionals know about. I had my Kryolan account and membership since 2016, so it's not new to me. Like, when TikTok got onto the bandwagon of the sprays, I was like, that's old faithful. And so I was glad. But for those who know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. My girl was super excited, and I hope you guys stay to see the final results, which is about to pop up like in a couple of seconds, where I snatched her wig, put it on her, brushed it out, took care of my girl, and then we snapped some pics. So yeah, thank you for tuning the video. Don't you ever let anyone dim your light. And if you're a makeup professional looking to elevate your business and monetize your money and your time, let me know. Click the link below and sign up so you can get more details on all of the fun courses and the things that I'm doing for beauty professionals, as well as girls who are influencers. So anyways, thanks for engaging. Okay, bye.